Managing a home can feel like a chaotic circus act sometimes. Picture this: juggling groceries, dodging laundry piles, and trying to assemble furniture without losing your sanity. It's a wild ride, but it can also be a lot of fun. First things first, let's talk about creating a chore schedule. It's like having a game plan for your home. Grab an app or a whiteboard and start mapping out your chores. Each time you check one off, celebrate. It's a small victory that adds up. Trust me, sticking to a routine makes a world of difference. Those little daily tasks, they're the secret sauce to a clean and happy home. Now, on to cooking and meal prep. Cooking doesn't have to be a chore. Think of it as a creative outlet. Whip up some pasta or tacos in no time. Quick cuts of chopping, sizzling, and plating can turn a simple meal into a culinary adventure. And meal prepping? It's a total game changer. Spend a couple of hours on the weekend, and you'll save time during the week. It's efficient and keeps you from reaching for takeout every night. Let's not forget about home hacks. Cleaning doesn't have to be a drag. Get creative. Use vinegar for a natural cleaner, or organize your spaces with containers. When you see a clean room and organized shelves, it's like a breath of fresh air. Cleaning can actually be rewarding when you see the results of your hard work. Balancing responsibilities is key. Picture a split screen. On one side, you're tackling chores, and on the other, you're kicking back and relaxing. It's crucial to find that balance. You can't pour from an empty cup, so make sure to carve out time for yourself amidst the hustle. Finally, imagine wrapping up your day with a montage of all you've accomplished. Cooking, cleaning, organizing, you're handling it all with confidence. Take pride in your space and your responsibilities. It's not just about managing a home. It's about creating a sanctuary that reflects who you are. Embrace the chaos, enjoy the process, and remember, you've got this.